Thank you for your purchase of Dash Thunder 3-in-1 Tricycle. This beautiful tricycle comes with attractive looks, beautiful color options, parental handle, wide wheelbase, and sturdy body. This tricycle can easily be assembled by using these parts. You will also need a piler, screwdriver. To begin with, take the main body and place rear wheels to the main body with the help of Excel pin on both sides. Now, insert front fork complete to the main body. Now, fix handle to fork with the help of plastic bolt. Now is the time to place set to main body. Fix seat to main body with the help of butterfly nuts. In the next step, place flute pipe to the main body. Now attach movement rod from front fork to flute pipe. In the next step, place handrest to main body with the help of lock button. Now place umbrella pipe to handrest frame and then place provided canopy to the frame. In the next step, fix parental handle to flute pipe with provided nut. Now place parental handle to pipe and fix it with the help of provided nuts. Now place rear basket to main body with the help of provided nuts. In the final step, place footrest to main body with the help of nut and bolt. Your beautiful Dash Thunder 3-in-1 tricycle is now ready to use. Dash Ride Kids Pride.